this is UDAY'S Faculty of English. So hope so you people are doing well. My dear friends, a special quotation for you. Struggle is life, said by Sudhamurthy Garu and brought to you by me. My dear friends, within this session, let's learn regarding do, does, did and how they can be useful in English grammar. Within simple steps, I will try to make you to be very comfortable to use do, does, did, because it's one of the important topic in English grammar. Okay, let's welcome into today's session of English. Okay, my dear friends, let's learn regarding use of do, does, did. Within this session, I will try to explain you in both media, that is, I will use Telugu and also English to make you more comfortable. Okay, do and does can be used with present tense. ఎప్పుడు కూడా present tense లో do, does ఉపయోగిస్తాం. అంతేకాకుండా did can be used for past tense. Only with past tense we will use did. Moreover, what subjects can be used with do? Do తో ఏ subjects యూజ్ చేస్తాం? I do, you do, we do, they do. కానీ does మాత్రం he, she, it and all names. Raju does, isn't it? Lata, Rani. With that names we will use. Usually does can be used with he, she, it and do can be used with I, you, we, they. కాబట్టి do, does present tense లో మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేస్తాము and did past tense లో మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేస్తాము, and that too simple present tense and simple past tense. Okay, I hope so. First do, does with present tense and did with past tense. Okay, so try to understand this box over here. ఈ బాక్స్ మీకు అర్థమైనట్లయితే do, does ని present tense లో మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేయాలి and did ని మాత్రం past tense లోనే యూజ్ చేయాలి. Do, does, did can be used in various situations. In to do work, we can use it as to do work. Example, I do my homework. In sentence lo I do, I use the word do here. And second example, okay, I did my homework. Okay, and moreover I have done my homework. Here do, did, done, these three are the words which can be used like verb form in the given sentence. Okay, next it can be used as auxiliary verbs, helping verbs. అంటే సహాయక క్రియలాగా కూడా do, does, did యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. That is, do you speak English? Why do we use auxiliary verbs here? To make question తయారు చేయడానికి auxiliary verbs యూజ్ చేస్తాం. కాబట్టి do you speak English? Then after does he speak English? Okay, here I got yes, then I no need to add yes here. Does he speak English? Next, to make negative sentences, to convert simple present or simple past into the negative sentence, I can use here example, we don't like junk food. Actual sentence is, okay, without don't, actual sentence is we like junk food, but I try to make this we like junk food is nothing but in the subject, idi verb one form and this is of object and a simple present tense. To convert simple present tense into negative, I used we don't like junk food. See here, we can be used along with do, isn't it? Instead, she doesn't like junk food. Like that, if we change, I do not like junk food. Okay, they do not like junk food, and moreover he does not like junk food. Okay, she does not like junk food and it does not like junk food. Okay, you can use instead of do not, you can also use compressed form don't. Okay, for does not you can use doesn't, right? For did not, didn't, right? So like this, to do verbs and to use as an auxiliary verbs and to make negative sentences using a simple present and simple past, we will use do, does, did. Okay, so hope so you understood part 1 and you understood part 1, 2, 3 here. These are the 3 uses. Can be used as a verb form in sentences, can be used to create sentences like auxiliary verbs, and to make negative sentences. Example, we don't like junk food. Okay, she doesn't like junk food, right? Okay, did can be used with all the subjects over here. Let's learn regarding the uses of this do, does, did with more clarity with some other example. Okay, so for this I have selected a sentence. She is cooking well. She is cooking present continuous కి సంబంధించింది. ఇది simple sentence కి సంబంధించింది కాదు friends. Okay, that's why she is cooking well can be converted into interrogative very easily. Very easyగా interrogative sentence లో నేను convert చేయగలుగుతాను. ఏంటంటే is helping word here. I can call it a helping word and auxiliary verb కూడా నేను అనొచ్చు. Okay, simple. Interchange చేయండి. Is she cooking well? Okay, helping word subject places మార్చేస్తే ordinary some other sentences interrogation లోకి మారడం చాలా ఈజీ. అండ్ నెగటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ చేయాలి అంటే is she cooking well is question, she is not. After is I added not. is తర్వాత not నెగటివ్ వర్డ్ యాడ్ చేశాను. she is not cooking well. this is negative, ఇది interrogative. తర్వాత I have selected one more sentence. she cooks well. ఇక్కడ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ v1 అంటే present tense, simple present tense friends. Okay, she cooks well is simple present tense. Okay, for she I would like to select does here because then munde chepparu does she can be used along with does and present tense. In present tense cooks. Okay, does she cook well? Question mark. Does she cook well? Simple. Okay, she cooks well can be converted into negative loki ela marchali. She does not cook well here. She does not. See, I added doesn't and I added does. Right. Next, this is in the case of present tense. See, I can also change subject. Instead of she, I can use I. I could use I cook well. Isn't it? You cook well. We cook well. Isn't it? At that particular time, okay. If I use I here, do I cook well? Isn't it? Do we cook well? Because in the case of he, she itself, I will use does, but I cook well, you cook well, we cook well, they cook well. For example, they cook well. Do they cook well? Isn't it? They do not cook well. Like that I will get. Next, let's see past tense here. She cooks. Isn't it or not? She cooks. There itself it is present form. Here past form, subject place. We do. I use cooked. Isn't it or not? V1, V2, V3. She cooked well is past tense. I converted this into negative by adding a did. Okay. I told already that past tense lo did use cheyali. She did not cooked well. Right? And if I would like to convert it into question, did she cook well? Isn't it? Did she cook well? Try to understand. If I got did here, it has to be used in V1 form itself, but not V2 form. Right? So this is how to use in 2 different ways over here with simple example. Okay? నాకు తెలిసి మీకు కొంత అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ ఇంకా సిన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ తో మీరు ట్రై చేస్తా ఉంటే ఈజీలీ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వేర్ ఐ కెన్ యూజ్ డూ, డస్, did. Okay, so always try to note down what is there on the board, right? Running notes lo raskunte meeku chaala easy ga untundi to understand very perfectly. Friends, let's see few more examples regarding the same exercise part. Okay, I help him. Help is V1. So I selected do and do not. Do I help him? Interrogation. I do not help him. Negative. Next, I helped him. See here V1 and here it is of V2. The simple present tense and simple past tense. I help him. Do I help him? And I do not help him. Next, I helped him. Did I help him? So for this, for V2 form, I told you for V2 form, I need to select did. V2 form approach did select చేసుకోవాలి. I helped him. Did I help him? See, when I use the word did, already the past kabatti help మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేయండి, but not helped here. And I did not help him. This is interrogation and this is negative. See, negative ante if I add no, not, never words in the sentence after helping verb, that sentence can be called as negative. Negative lo helping verb pakkana no, not, never లాంటి words కనుక కనిపిస్తే so definitely అది negative sentence గా మారిపోతుంది. And Raja practices కాబట్టి it is V1 form, simple present tense. ఇంకా ఈజీగా గుర్తుపట్టాలి అంటే every day ఉంది కాబట్టి అది simple present tense, ఎందుకంటే habitual action. Raja practices guitar. Does Raja? Why? Because nouns I told. Okay, third person singular ikkada. Raja, Rani, Lata అని ఇంత ముందు beginning లో చెప్పాను కాబట్టి does I have to take here. Raja practices. Does Raja practices guitar every day? Okay, and moreover ఇది interrogation లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. And then after here Raja does not practices guitar every day. Full stop. Positive sentence. Okay, negative sentence, and moreover interrogative sentence. Then after one more example over here for you. Vikram gave me a chocolate. See, Vikram is subject here. Give, gave, given. See, this is V2 form. Okay, Vikram gave me object 1 and chocolate object 2. Okay, object 1 and object 2. And I can able to have any number of objects in my sentence. Object ఉండొచ్చు, ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఒకటి ఉండొచ్చు, అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. Vikram gave me a chocolate. Here Vikram subject, gave is V2 form. So definitely I can able to convert it into negative. Vikram did not give me a chocolate here. Okay, did Vikram give me a chocolate? Isn't it? Did Vikram give me a chocolate? See, I used it. Did here, I used it. Did here. Right? How to use? Do, do not. Then after did, didn't. Okay? Did, didn't. Then after Raja practices guitar every day. Okay? Does Raja and doesn't hear. And moreover Vikram gave me a chocolate. Vikram did not hear and did. Vikram hear. The compressed forms did not, didn't, does not, doesn't, do not, don't. Isn't it? So I hope so, my dear students, you people got clearly regarding how to use do, does, did. Okay, I tell you many times that compulsory you have to note down. Okay, by pausing the video or whatsoever. So if you have any good notes and if you have any good practice, it's very comfortable and easy to learn grammar. So without practicing and without trying exercises from anywhere, so definitely we may not be an perfect in learning of English grammar. Okay, so hope so you understood very well. Thank you.
ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చిందని నేను భావిస్తున్నాను. సో ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ షేర్ టు యాజ్ మెనీ యాజ్ అండ్ ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్ us. థ్యాంక్ యూ.